What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with Chubaranks. Today we're trying out Whiskey Wall Auditions. Check it out. Today we're trying Singleton Single Malt Scotch Whiskey Glendullan. 12 years aged. It's supposed to be light, fruity, and creamy. Sign me up, so let's pour it out. Alrighty, so I don't miss anything. Let's put my glasses back on. Alrighty, so let's open her up, see how she comes prepared. Is it a presentation game? Fire. I like it. I like it a lot. Alrighty, how do you open this thing? We're gonna snap. Alright, now we open it up. Let's get that ASMR moment. Oh, yeah. Not bad. Doesn't smell like strong or anything. So let's pour it up. Got my clear ice. Been chilling in the glass. That's so much. I was told 2-finger pours. Why not? Oh my goodness. Maybe I need smaller fingers. Anyway, it definitely smells fruity. I smell cream. Kind of smells like smells like it would be good in coffee, maybe. All right, let's test it out. Ooh, not strong at all. Smooth. What? Am I even drinking alcohol? 40% alcohol? Not bad. I'd chug a whole bottle of this in one night. Easy. Now that's good for sipping. I guess. Something else. Oh, follow Whiskey Wall. I'm going to leave a link to their channel up here. Check them out. See what you guys think. All right, till next time. Nos vemos.